A powerful winter storm has begun sweeping across Ontario, bringing heavy snow, strong winds, and dangerous travel conditions in many regions. Snowfall is intensifying quickly as colder air pushes across the province, and several communities are now preparing for totals, reaching up to 50 centimeters, with some snowbelt areas expecting even higher amounts as the system strengthens. Roads are becoming increasingly hazardous as blowing snow reduces visibility and creates conditions that shift from manageable to extremely dangerous within minutes. In areas near Georgian Bay and along the traditional snowbelt zones, forecasters warn that lake-effect streamers may produce extremely intense bursts of snow. Some of these bands are capable of dropping 7 centimeters per hour during peak activity. These bursts are already causing sudden whiteouts, deep snow drifts, and quickly deteriorating road conditions. Authorities in these regions are advising residents to avoid unnecessary travel and to remain aware that road closures and transit interruptions may happen with little warning. Northern communities around Durham region and several rural areas north of the Greater Toronto Area are expected to receive 30 to 50 centimeters of fresh snow by the end of the event. Even areas with lower totals are still experiencing strong winds that sweep snow across open fields and roadways, turning commutes into long and unpredictable journeys. Local officials are urging people to monitor travel advisories closely and to adjust their plans as the storm continues to intensify. The Greater Toronto Area is also being affected. Although snowfall amounts are lighter compared to regions further north, the combination of gusty winds and periodic squalls is creating dangerous pockets of near-zero visibility. Drivers may suddenly move from clear conditions into complete whiteouts, especially near lakeshore regions where wind gusts reach 70 or even 80 kilometers per hour. Many secondary roads are becoming snow-covered and icy, making travel extremely challenging. Emergency services and utility crews across Ontario are preparing for possible power outages as heavy, wet snow and strong winds begin to weigh down tree branches and power lines. Some minor outages have already been reported, and crews warn that poor visibility and blocked roads could slow repair efforts. residents are encouraged to keep essential supplies on hand and to prepare for the possibility of temporary service interruptions. This early season, winter storm is stronger than what many parts of southern Ontario usually see at this time of year. While not unprecedented, the combination of heavy snowfall, shifting winds, and powerful lake effect squalls is creating highly unstable and rapidly changing conditions. Weather officials emphasize the importance of staying informed because sudden changes in snowfall intensity or wind direction can turn safe conditions into an emergency very quickly. As the storm continues through Friday and into Saturday, residents across Ontario are being urged to stay inside whenever possible, keep updated with local alerts, and prepare for further disruptions. What began as a typical winter event is increasingly becoming a major weather challenge for the province, and caution remains essential until the storm fully passes.